Infinity Achi, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Suchona.
And you?
My name is Atia.
So first of all, I'm coming to Suchona. Suchona, what's your experience of spoken English in the level 2 and 3, please?
Thanks for your asking. There are 5 levels in our spoken English. Level 2 is the second level among them. I have learned many things from level 2 and level 3. From level 2, I have learned Viva questions, spoken grammar, many English grammar, British American English, telephone English phrases, telephone conversation, and it talks about the main topic in our locality. And from level 3, I have learned everyday English, essential English items, spoken grammar, and finally asking for direction and question, and that's all.
Yes. Your experience from level 2 and 3.
Thanks for you asking. There are 5 levels in our spoken English. From level 2 and 3, I have learned many things. From level 2, I have learned Viva question, many spoken grammar, telephone English phrases, British and American English, asking for the bathroom, and a talk show program on main topic in our locality. From level 3, I have learned everyday English sentence from Duku's Communicative English book, essential English items, question, some grammar, asking for the direction, and that's all.
Was it helpful for you?
Yes, it is. Well, it was helpful for you.
Was it helpful for you?
Yeah, it was very helpful for me.
So both of you are waiting for achieving level 4 and 5 level, yeah?
Yeah.
After then you will be completed your course for spoken English course. Thank you so much for joining this part.